I want you to understand the relationship, this is macro, between stocks or equities and bonds. So this is cash, this is debt. You see, so if I have $1 million, I would put it in a bond and hopefully get 16%. That's safe as, if it's a U.S. Treasury, it's guaranteed. But to keep the stock market going up, they kept reducing so today I don't like bonds, so you can tell that. So don't take a word, don't listen to the word I say. But when that guy said to me, I shifted into bonds because they're safer, I'm going, oh my God. But that's the price of not knowing. When I tried to explain it to him, he got really angry. He says, are you a financial planner? I said, heavens no, I do have some self-respect, But that's why we have John McGregor and we have Andy Tanner as part of our advisors, because those guys are for real. They're in paper assets. And nobody has the answer, Sarah. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you're prepared for it. So if we could go into gold, silver, and crypto. Okay, so the question is, why hasn't gold gone up? Who knows where it's going to go? So I thought gold would be like $2,500 today, but it's $1,700. And the reason is when, again, it goes to the bond price went up, the price of gold came down. So they're all related, and nobody has an answer, but you got to pay attention to that. And then if you just listen to our Rich Dad Radio Show with John Adams from Go to Gold Australia, the Perth Mint is out of silver. Now, what does that mean? How could a mint be out of silver? How could a mint be out of gold? Because they're selling stuff they don't have. So that's corruption. So can I make a prediction? No. But that's why you got to be very, very careful. So the price of gold didn't go up. One reason is because crypto is, Bitcoin is sucking the air out of gold and silver. And the Bitcoin guys are going nuts. They're happy as Larry. Okay. So two things are affecting the price of gold. One is interest rates went up and Bitcoin came in, Ethereum and all those other things. And so when Bitcoin dropped from, I think it was 65 down to 50 per coin, I bought more. Not that I'm not gambling in crypto. I am not gambling in gold and silver. I've started gold mines and I've started silver mines. But let me explain this. The reason I'm in Bitcoin is because it's the most established. It already has a network. It's got a head start on everybody. And the difference is that in my generation, it was real estate. So I took real estate courses. I've never lost money in real estate. I've made fortunes in it. Do you know? I'm an insider because I do all I don't touch REITs, REITs, real estate investment. I don't trust paper. I handle my own. I've started my own gold mine in China. Unfortunately, the Chinese took it. That was a lesson. And I started my own silver mine in Argentina. So I understand mining. So all of these guys, my friends who are in crypto, now tell me they expect about 15,000 new ICOs. So this, basically all it takes is a brain and some electricity and a computer, and you can create your own crypto. So could Bitcoin be toast also? Possibly. So when I told this guy I bought Bitcoin when it dropped from 65 to 50, he says it's going to go to $5. I said, it might. The difference is I can afford to lose that money. But that's called, I'm speculating. So this is, in my world as a professional investor, I'm in the acquisition phase. I'm taking a position. I've taken a position in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Every time it looks like it's getting a little cheaper, I'll buy it. I'll buy it. I'll buy it. So I saw Bitcoin at 20,000, I think it was, and it dropped to 7, and I waited, and when it came to 9, I bought. So today, let's say it's 50. I'm still in the money. And if it goes to 40, I'm going to buy more. Now, could I be wrong? Absolutely. Could some hodler coin take off? Yeah. Could there be another pets.com of crypto? Absolutely. But the difference is I'm in the acquisition. I've taken a position. I took a position in silver and gold. I have millions, not in this country. But I don't have any paper. I don't have any ETFs. I only take the real stuff. Because as I said, the Perth Mint can't deliver on silver. If a mint can't deliver on silver, who do you trust? And so with all of these young kids coming up going to invent the next Bitcoin, I don't doubt they will. I don't doubt one of those 10,000 new crypto may blow Bitcoin and Ethereum out of the water. And if that happens, I'll make my switch. But until then, I'm like I was with gold and silver. I'm in acquisition. I've taken a position. When I sell, it's called distribution. So as a professional, not a speculator, and I don't flip houses because I think that's really stupid because it's such high risk to flip a house. But today, everybody's flipping houses because the price of real estate is going through the roof. I was talking to the guy who cuts my hair. He says, I finally bought a house. I offered $100,000 over the price. I'm going, holy moly. It's a mania. There's booms, bust, and mania. Real estate is in a mania because of this. Because interest rates are so low, so not only are stocks going up, real estate's going up. And everybody's jumping in. When this happens, the idiots jump in. And that's what's happening right now. So Bitcoin is the same way. So when it took a dip, I bought more. Can it go lower? Yes, I'll buy more. But there's one big difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum and real estate. Bitcoin and Ethereum are liquid. Means I can get out. If I realize that there's a new NFC, what do they call them, or a new guy is going to take out Bitcoin, I can get out. But with real estate, the trouble with real estate, if it goes down, you're the skipper of the Titanic. You're going to ride that baby all the way down. So real estate is not liquid. At least stocks are liquid. So when I talk to them about possibly gold, silver, or crypto, no! So they're all related. So in this world of money, they're all related. It's like we're all related somehow on this whole planet. And so that's the world of money today. So that's real financial education. If you realize you cannot make a prediction, especially today, because nobody knows what's going to happen until it happens. The question is, are you prepared for when it happens? So I love Bitcoin because if I realize there's a hot new coin coming along, I can get out. But in real estate, I'm stuck in it. So those are some of the differences between investors, acquisition, taking a position, and distribution. I can distribute my Bitcoin and gold and silver quickly. I cannot distribute my real estate that quickly or my businesses. So those are some of the differences, and that's real financial education.